How to delete your Vinted account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your vinted.com. Then from here, make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after doing that here, first thing that you want to do is finish all of your transactions. Make sure that all the sales and purchase and all of the payouts are fully completed on your account. After doing that, you would need to now go into your profile. For that, simply tap on the menu bar on the top right corner. Here, if you are logged into your account, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on it and then you'll get to open the account settings. Tap on that one, and then from there, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will actually be able to get the option of delete my account. Simply tap on that one, and then what you're going to do is simply accept all of the terms and conditions and then tap on confirm, and just like that, you will actually be able to delete your account permanently. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.